How to fix Discord video call lag. In order to fix Discord video call lag, you could start by looking for settings on your device so that you could check your internet connection. So launch open settings and simply go to network and internet and make sure you're connected to a stable internet connections. You might also want to make sure to disable or you could switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data as well. And next, what you could also do is if you're having such issue, you might want to disable any sort of extensions and VPN that you've installed or that is enabled at the moment. That should also definitely help you out. Now that you've done this, what you want to do is just go to your user settings on your Discord. For that, launch open Discord, tap on the U at the very bottom right and the gear icon from the very top right. Here, you have to go ahead and look for user settings and go to advanced options. Here it is. After which you just want to make sure to go ahead and toggle the hardware accelerations or full toggle hardware accelerations, and this way you should be able to fix as well. After which you might also want to make sure to go to user settings once again and look for these voice and video. So here you should be able to find voice, so make sure that you've toggled the button as well for this. So this is how you're supposed to fix your Discord video call lag. With that, we've completed our steps. Thank you for watching. See you in our next video.